What's up, everyone? So today I have here is a Roland MKs 20. My name is Dewan, by the way, and here we go. This is William Bill Middleton.
What's up, y'all?
Now this MKs 20 has not had chorus in a while. So we're here today and we're gonna fix this thing, and hopefully this will bring about some more work. How about that?
Absolutely.
All right, so just to kind of give you guys an idea, I've got an EP on, right? So I'm gonna hit the chorus, and I've got nothing. No chorus effect at all. Even if I hit the button on and off, I'm still, there's no chorus effect. Now, just stay tuned, and we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what we got. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for me. Thank you. All right, I've taken out the Roland MKs 20 effects board, as you can see. If we can zoom in a little bit. This is the effects board. This is where your problem is. You have chorus and tremolo, and that's the rate and the depth of each side. I did some research into which circuits to replace and to fix this board. And so, you know, I've also replaced the output relay. As you can see, that's a replacement. Please don't jump this. Replace it with another output relay, because if you jump this, it can cause a short to happen. All right, so let's move it on. All right, so we're back. I've taken the board out, as you've seen, and I put it on a microscope, changed out a few chips, and once we changed out a few chips, we put the board back together. You know, we did that, and then of course, we got it on now. So here we go. All right. Okay, and we got everything open, as you can see. I got my dog running around here. And all right, so as you can see, we got it open. The effects board is here. And of course, I didn't close anything. Because I wanted to test before we put everything back for reassembly. And so now that everything's in there, of course I go to an EP. No, that's not an EP, that's piano one. So that's, here we go. There you go. Yeah. Yep, and without it. Add it in there. Yep, so there it is. Even the piano one. Add the chorus. Yep, and there you have it. Please hit me up. You got some MKs, you got some things that you need repaired. I'm here. Peace out.